ศิลป์ประสาทวิชาลูกหลานล้วนก้าวหน้าทุกแหล่งล่าต่างชื่นชมสถานศึกษาเด่นเรามุ่งเน้นอย่างเหมาะสมคุณครูช่วยอบรมบ่มนิสัยให้สิทธิ์ดี
Hello, good morning students and good morning parents and สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Teacher Bibi and my co-teacher name is Teacher O. I'm the teacher of the kindergarten 2/7, okay? So Teacher Bibi have a teach every week the different topics we teach every week. We have a change the topics and the topics is provided from the school and we teach the students. And the one topic we have teach the student many kinds, many names and many things in one topic we teach in the detail. So this week our topic is community. So I'm going to teach the student about the community. We have a community, we have a big community, they have a places, they have a jobs, they have a duties. So many things is our community. So Teacher Bibi is going to teach the name of the places in our community. It means what is the community? Community mean is our Uttaradit, all Uttaradit. And what is in the Uttaradit? What places when go come to school and go back home? What we see? The student, what you see when your mom and your dad have a drive the car? You see the many places and you ask the parent, what is this? What is this? What is this? So they teach you in Thai, but Teacher will be going to teach in English, okay? So this places name in English, for example, you'll know in the Thai, we say Thanahan, Bang, your parents teach you in Thai, but Teacher will be going to teach in English, okay? So you ready to learn your topics? Here we go, okay? So let's go. C O M M U N I T Y community. Sometimes I have a divide for the student. C O M M U commune. We have a divide because it's very long. Some students cannot speak. Commune. N I T Y. Nitty. Community. Okay? Community. So Teacher Bibi is going to community. This week our topic is community. So the topic is community. We have go to the places. What is the places in the community? Around all the Uttaradit, around our school, your home, what you see, the place, what place you can see. The first one I'm going to hear, okay? School. Anuban Uttaradit School. This is in our community. Near some students live near Anuban school, some far, but they come to school and they know about the community, our school in our community. School. You speak after Teacher Bibi. School. Market. In Uttaradit have many market. Market number 3, market number 5, market number 2, small market, and some is the weekend market, but we say market. You can see here they sell the fruits, vegetable, and every daily use thing. We say market. The next, temple. Tha Thanon. The Tha Thanon temple is near our school. Is beside our school, attached our school. We have activities, we go to this temple. So they say temple, but the name of the temple Tha Thanon. The Tha Thanon temple. The Tha Thanon temple. Okay, this is the temple of Tha Thanon, okay? Temple Tha Thanon or Tha Thanon temple, okay? The next one. railway station opposite the Anubanutradi school. You can see the train is go passing, the students see and they're happy. So they have a station. Railway station, people waiting here, the train come. And we say railway station, station, railway station. You speak railway, railway station, railway station. Okay, this is opposite to Anubanutradi school. Fire station. When you come to Anuban school, you have the in front of Anuban school. When your parents drive the car, you enter the Anuban school, you can see the red fire station truck. Many truck is the red color, and you should be know this is the fire station. Fire station, fire truck and fire station, because many fire truck, if any is a fire, they help the people and go to people that help you. They have a fire at home, anywhere, so this truck go to help the people there. So we say fire station. Uttaradit hospital. When you sick, I am sick, your parents sick, anybody sick, we go to the hospital. We go to the hospital, we can see the doctor, nurse, and medicine we take from the hospital. It's the big one hospital and a very good environment in the hospital. We go to treatment. So Uttaradit hospital. Uttaradit hospital. Next, police station. Police station. When you go to the market, you can see the big police station, many police in the police uniform, you can see there. So they're working in the office, so we say police station. Police station. Post office. When you send some parcel, your email, you send to your friend, you send to the Bangkok, one city to other city, you go to post office. Post office. You put your letter in letter box. It's the red color one. This is for the letter box. But the office is here, okay? You send a parcel here. So we say post office. Post office. The next one, bus station. When we travel, we go to Chiang Mai, we go to Pisnalok, we go to Bangkok, we go anywhere, we must be take the bus and we buy the ticket. So we go to the bus station. The people waiting for the bus, this is the bus, and you travel through the bus. So we will be wait bus station. Bus station. So this is the bus and this is people waiting the station. Bus station. The next one, university. Our Uttaradit have a big university. The name is Rajabhat University. Okay, so it's the big university. Maybe your parents study there, your teacher all study there. So this is the big university in the Uttaradit. So we say Uttaradit Rajabhat University. Uttaradit Rajabhat University. Rajabhat University. Okay, this is a big university. Next, Uttaradit have a big history. Payapichai history, we have a big history and we have a museum. So people come from far and visit this museum. So we say Uttaradit Museum. Uttaradit Museum, the big sword and the Payapichai, every history, his all stuff we can see here. So we say Uttaradit Museum. Have you seen? You visit please. Sometime you have a free after COVID. You can go and you observe and you visit. This is we say Uttaradit Museum. Uttaradit Museum. Next, in behind our school near the river Nan, we can see the statue. People have exercise also, the big track of the exercise and the good environment near the market. This is the statue. This one we say statue. Statue Rama 5. King Rama, okay, King Rama 5. So they build the statue. Statue Rama 5. Statue Rama 5. This is the name of Statue Rama 5. This is the place in Uttaradit. Uttaradit have a many bank. We invest our money. Some parent working in the bank. Your mother, your father, they work in the bank. So we say the bank, okay, many bank. We say Krung Thai Bank, and we can say the Ayutthaya Bank, Bangkok Bank, many banks. So in English, we say bank. Bank. In Uttaradit have many bank. Near Anuban Uttaradit school have a bank. Bank. So they have a bank, okay. So teacher Bibi is going to back. Teacher Bibi have go to teach one more time, and we repeat all this name of the places in our community. We live in Uttaradit, and Uttaradit have a many places. When we walk, go around our Uttaradit, we see many. This is more, but student, you are very young. You are in Anuban 2. Teacher Bibi teach little bit, and when we go Anuban 3, we'll know more. Uttaradit have many places. Many, they have a waterfall, they have a dam, many things. But Anuban 2, we teach little bit, okay? So one more time, Teacher Bibi going to repeat. Please, you speak with Teacher Bibi, okay? C-O-M-M-U-N-I-T-Y. Community. Our topic is community, okay? So Teacher Bibi is going to one more time repeat all places in community. Places in community. Name of the places, okay? School. Anuban Uttaradit school, many school. Uttaradit have many school, but we mention our school, okay? Anuban Uttaradit school. Market, okay? Market. Temple, Tha Thanon temple. You can say Tha Thanon temple, you can say temple Tha Thanon, okay? Tha Thanon temple. We go there, we pray there. Temple. Railway station. Fire station, okay? Fire truck. Have a fire truck. This is fire stack, but this is the station, okay? Fire station. Uttaradit hospital, okay? Uttaradit have a big hospital. Uttaradit hospital. Police station. Police working in the station. Police station. Post office. Bus station. Bus come here, stop here, and we ride the bus and we travel. Bus station. Uttaradit Raja Bhat University. You can say Raja Bhat University. Uttaradit Museum. Uttaradit Museum. We say museum. Statue. Rama 5. Statue Rama 5. Bank. Uttaradit Bank. Okay, the students, Teacher Bibi teach you about the topic of this week, our community. our community have a places. Teacher Bibi teach the places, some places in Uttaradit. So you must be repeat with Teacher Bibi, speak after Teacher Bibi, and please parents help little bit to the student. They little bit remember when you come back to school, Teacher Bibi teach again, and we have a repeat again, and we will be remember all these things. Okay, so for this today, Teacher Bibi is going to stop here, and Teacher Bibi hope many students can repeat with Teacher Bibi and understand, and you can be speak. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day. สวัสดีค่ะ